Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by for another week of updates. This week, I'm going to be talking all about week 21. It has been such a good week. Nothing crazy has happened, but I definitely can tell that baby is growing because I've had a lot of round ligament pain this week and a lot of back pain. So those are the two things I'm mainly going to talk about. Starting with the round ligament pain, I've had that just a couple days on and off throughout the week. Can definitely feel it picking up. I can definitely tell he's growing. My bump is starting to pop a little bit more than it has like the past 2 or 3 weeks. So I know that he's growing. I'm feeling his kicks more and more. They're getting a little bit more aggressive. So I can definitely tell that he is starting to get bigger and stronger, which is what we want. My back pain has honestly picked up to the worst that it's probably been my entire pregnancy. Not sure what that means for me as far as what labor will look like. I'm not sure if you guys have any insight on if you have a lot of back pain during pregnancy, if that gives you more of a chance of having a lot of back labor. If anyone has info on that, drop it below. Would love to read and learn more about that. But for my back pain this week, I have honestly just found relief in using a heating pad. I did that last night and it was amazing. It really relieved a lot of that tension. And then also my husband, I was like, can you just like jab your fists into my back? So he took both of his fists last night and like put so much pressure into the middle of my back with his fists, and I pushed against him and it relieved so much pain and so much tension. So that really worked. I'm not sure if he just like hit the most perfect pressure point or what it was, but we will be using that technique moving forward depending on if the back pain continues. I'm also getting a massage tomorrow, so hopefully that helps. I've been trying to do a prenatal massage once a month and it has been absolutely wonderful. Highly recommend for anyone else who's pregnant. So maybe that will relieve some tension as well. Those are the two biggest symptoms I've had this week. Honestly, my cravings have pretty much died down. I was craving oranges a ton throughout my pregnancy, but I mean, I'm still loving oranges, don't get me wrong. I'm just not craving them quite like I was previously in pregnancy. This past week of week 21, baby was the size of an endive, right there. He was measuring at roughly 10.5 inches, 12.7 ounces. I will say every time that I go and get an ultrasound, they always say that baby's measuring like a little bit bigger. So I'm sure he was a little bit past those sizes and predictions, but regardless, that is what my bump app told me he was measuring at. So it's been a good week all around. Nothing crazy that stands out to me besides the fact that I can definitely tell he is growing and expanding, so that is awesome. So that's honestly all that I have for you guys this week. I would love to hear any suggestions on back pain relief. I have been sitting on one of those like workout balls, like the bigger one. I've been sitting on that while I work a lot of the time and it has relieved some of my back pain, but then, wow, the sun is shining so bright right now. I've been sitting on that and it will relieve some back pain, but at the end of the day, I can't sit on that ball for more than like an hour before I'm like, okay, I need some relief. So any suggestions anyone has, drop those below. Follow me on Instagram for more pregnancy updates at Samantha Rice Photography. And I am so excited to hop back on next week and share my 22-week update. Thanks so much for stopping by, guys.